everybody, it's me, Bo Shevasu. We are on the job right now drilling into some foundation. And before I actually did that, I wanted to show you a quick little rundown on how this Makita roto drill actually works. Now, in order to take this bit in and out, you're gonna pull back like so. You can see it kind of retracts, out it comes. I've got a 3/8 inch bit on there, which works with this 3/8 inch rebar perfectly to drill that hole. And then to put it back in, same idea, pull this down, give it a tug, make sure it's not going anywhere. In order to make it go beautiful right there, we've got a reverse switch on this side as well as this side, so it doesn't matter whether you are right or left-handed. But if you were to flick that like that, now it's going in the opposite direction. So if you want to back out, if you got stuck. So in order to actually be hitting the concrete with the hammer type function, you would rotate it to that function. Or if you just want to do the basic drill, you would rotate it around like so. Very easy. In order to rotate the actual handguard itself right here, right now it's stuck, but if you were to twist it like this, let's say you're in a really tight position, twist it, then this whole thing can rotate around like so. When you were to rotate it back down again, kind of feels like a motorcycle throttle, and now it's on. So once again, we're gonna put it back about right there, tighten it down, and that is the basic functionality.